Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to change the logo in your WordPress website using the Divi theme. Before we get started, check out the link in the description to try elegant themes, including Divi, for a great price. To change the logo, start by logging into the back end of your WordPress website. Once logged in, navigate to the Divi menu on the left-hand side of your dashboard. From there, click on Divi Theme Options. This will open a settings panel where you can adjust various features of your Divi theme. Within the Theme Options page, locate the General tab, which is usually the default tab that opens. Under this tab, look for the section labelled Logo. Here, you'll see the current logo displayed. To change it, click on the Upload button next to the logo field. A new window will appear, allowing you to upload a new logo from your computer. Select the Upload Files option at the top of the window, then click Select Files. Browse your computer for the logo file you'd like to use and select it. Once the file has been uploaded, WordPress will display it in your media library. Click on the Set as Logo button to confirm your selection. After setting the new logo, don't forget to save your changes. To ensure the new logo appears on your website, refresh the front end of your site. You should now see the updated logo displayed. If the new logo is not visible, clear your browser cache or any caching plugins installed on your website to resolve the issue. That's how you can quickly and easily update your logo using the Divi theme. If you'd like to explore Divi or any other products by Elegant Themes, check out the link in the description for a great price. Thank you for watching.